Hello YouTube, back at it again. Quite a special day today. Today is the day my 200 subscribers gonna get a hamburger. So first we have to clean her up a little bit and see if she starts up after the backfire and so. So guys, un momento. I'm gonna clean her off a little bit. Yo, back in the car, boys and girls. Full screen. Start her up on LPG. She wouldn't start on gasoline yesterday, so we got an issue. And LPG seemed fine. Runs a little high in the beginning, and if I throttle her and switch over, she stays running on LPG, but if I let down, it won't run stationary. So guys, easy does it, little stroll around the block. So my 200 subscriber, Patrick, promised him a hamburger. Oh, he won it. I got it on my page, only got one like, probably my own. A little bit of heat in it. Ja, die hebben ook voorrang, meisjes. Rechts. Zo gaat dat, jongens. When I transported the free Barbie I got from Facebook, I lost a little bit of mud in the backside of the car. Had to vacuum that out and blow it off a little bit with some water. Easy does it. Shaky, shaky. Wait a minute. Oh guys, here we are at the vacuum station. Un momento, por favor. Well guys, un momento, por favor. Put you on right back. Maybe I can do a time lapse in between. So, I cut you out now. Hello YouTube, back at it again. Washed her off, sucked her out a little bit, start her up, LPG, switching over, put her in P, running, driving, cleaning the windows. Could have done better job. Could have done a better job. So now we can get a hamburger. Whee! Only need some sunshine. Woo. And then we're gonna go get Patrick a hamburger and myself also a hamburger. Look what I got, guys. Glorix. So easy does it. No more throttling. No more kickdowns. Heater is on, cozy and warm. Oh, another one. Nice one. Did you see that, guys? Another W126. A little bit of sightseeing. Police headquarters. Asielzoekerscentrum. Police headquarters. Okay. Thank all the new subscribers. Thank you for watching. Waiting for the summer, the spring. It usually does it. Almost at the Gaza, boys and girls. Driving on the Rai in Drachten. Gearriveerd, arrived. So she wouldn't start on gasoline yesterday. At the end of the day I will see, I will can check it now if I want to. Switching over. Waiting. It won't start on gasoline, guys. So. Oh, at the casa, un momento por favor. We're gonna go inside, drink some coffee. It's not quite time yet, so we have some. We can play with the dog a little bit.